Hello my people, we are live and direct and pumping from PG News Network, where we dey sermon on the latest news for Naija and Obodo Oyibo. Yarns as e dey pan for we street, parable as the forefathers dey talk am, tori as e dey blow for the pidgin world go different corner of the world. My name na Ororo Pataya 20 km. The news sabi news. Now welcome to PG News Network World News. God is watching you. God is watching you. God is watching you from a distance. When person say in dey do something for secret, nobody see am. God dey see am. China don put camera for different corner for people door inside their house, especially people wey dey do quarantine. They say any movement better, they go catch the person. Abi China wan get eye like Baba God. Hey, na corona dey cause all this wahala. The president of America, Oga Donald Trump, still dey vex, dey attack China, say na dem cause the whole wahala for the world wey people dey die, dey kpai, the economy dey go down. Say dem no manage the corona matter well, dem come allow am enter different corner of the world. Say lie dem no go fit stop am. He must make sure say America investigate wetin cause the thing and how e take go for inside China go the entire world. He also talk say e be like say people wey go kpai for the matter for America fit reach 70,000. Now they don pass 55,000. More than 700 people don kpai for inside Iran after dem drink toxic methanol wey dem dey think say e fit cure coronavirus. Methanol na alcoholic chemical wey tough well and e dangerous for human body. The National Corona Authority say alcohol poison don kill 728 Iran people between February 20 and April 7. The Director General of Health for New Zealand, Ashley Bloomfield, say dem don eliminate, remove and counterbalance and comot koro for New Zealand sake of say na only one person don get am since April 1. Dominic Thiem, the number 3 for lawn tennis for the whole world wey dem rank, say im no go follow contribute money give the people wey dey bottom for the rank sake of say corona dey. He say hunger no fit kpai those people, hunger no fit catch them. Say im go carry money give those people wey really need am. Na wow. Now to enter Naija for the latest news na im we dey so. Our President Muhammadu Buhari talk yesterday for the national talk to Naija people. Say curfew go dey up and down the states for Nigeria from 8 p.m. to 6 a.m. from May 4. No movement patapata, na only movement for essential goods like food, drugs and security go dey. Lagos and Abuja and Ogun lockdown, they don extend am for 1 week, and from May 4 they say they go dey suspend am, dey simmer down small for the lockdown. For Kano, where gbege dey shele for this corona matter, they don lock am down for 2 weeks with immediate effect. The Nigeria Center for Disease Control (NCDC) don approve 15 laboratories across Nigeria for corona matter. Oga Presido say this laboratory dem fit test 2,500 people every day. Over 10,000 health workers don dey train to fight coronavirus. Government don also send personal protective equipment wey dem call PPE go all the states for Naija. Oga Presido say dem don get insurance for over 5,000 frontline workers, that is the medical services wey dey fight every day for this corona matter to stop am. Na that one dem talk say the insurance sector for Naija dey support the government. Akwa Ibom State Governor say the rumour say 9 of their commissioners get koro, say na lie o, no be true. Sam the Commissioner of Works Ephraim Iyan say na mad people dey carry that kind of rumours and na for blackmail dem dey do am for. He challenge dem say make dem mention the name of the people and where dem dey receive the treatment. The national leader of All Progressive Congress (APC), Bola Tinubu, talk say na coronavirus kpai im chief security officer, late Alhaji Lateef Rahim. Himself, Oga Tinubu don go do the test, come out negative. The Lagos State Commissioner for Education, Folashade Adefisayo, don warn say make private school owner dem no resume third time for on top of online no. say the 2019-2020 third term nova start make dem no resume. She say all school remain closed until government say open. Central Bank of Nigeria say dem don comot the suspension of check for clearing house. So now you fit put check for bank, e go clear, the money go enter your account. Abba Kyari pikin Aisha say im papa don die, make people allow am rest in peace. She say dem say when the papa dey alive na im dey cause problem for Naija. Since he don die go, Naija problem don go be that. Make dem leave dem alone. Fire don burn Nigeria National Petroleum Corporation filling station wey dey Yaya Abaton Street, Ogba for Lagos State. Dem say the fire even catch about 30 motor. Ole Ajibole, ole Ajipalapala, Barawo. The Naija Police Force for Zamfara State don arrest 2 Chinko Chinese people wey dey mine and steal our gold for Kwali Bukuyum local government area for Zamfara. Now the police commissioner Usman Nagogo lead the special task force to go make this arrest. My people, make we join hands together fight this koro till e leave us alone. We go dey sambalidate na the latest news as we land with the month. This na Pidgin News Network where news dey start from. I hail una. Back